Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to share location on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Choose a user you want to share the location with. Now, tap on the attachment pin. Tap on location. Here you will see options like share live location, send your current location and places near you. Tap on any option you want to send, and you will share location on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to share your location on WhatsApp. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.